Still thinks AI just for prototype. It was almost midnight. A major feature was deployed in production, and client suddenly start posting some critical issues. Dev team wasn't available, and I wasn't even part of building that feature. So, but I had cursor. If you are a developer and you're skeptical about the AI in production, you need to see this video. The bugs were very small, but important and critical to fix. For example, SEO wants to change this text. The CTA is not working as expected. User has to click twice. Then this text needs to be humanizer needs to be humanized, and sort of other issues as well. Normally, it would take hours to just understand someone else's code base, but this time AI changed everything. Yeah, let's jump into the code base. These are the fixes I pushed last night, couple of hours ago, like 13-12 hours ago. So this is the master branch that where I pushed and deployed. Let me show you the chat history with the cursor. Let's open this single click event. The issue was user has to click this button twice to make it work. From user perspective, it should work once user click on this button, right? So what was happening? As a developer, I know how to debug things. Instead of fully rely on the AI, because it was urgency issue. So I just opened the console, developer tools, and was noting down what was happening there. So there was an issue with the API calls. On first click, it was calling reCAPTCHA API. On second click, it was calling the actual API. So I just provided that context to cursor and ask it to fix it. Instead of jump into the code and starting understanding the code base and then fix it, I ask cursor, I exactly give cursor what is the problem, where is the problem, you need to fix it. That's it. There was nothing to worry about what code needs to be modified. Cursor took care of itself. See here, it was able to fix it in within few minutes. See, problem analysis, solution implemented, and then it was working fine for me. And then while fixing this bug, I noticed that there was another issue. Uh, like stop streaming action button was not working. So see, if you start streaming something here, so you have a stop button. You can click here and it wasn't working. So I realized there was an issue with this as well. So I asked cursor to fix it for me. No code background, just a prompt. The production is being fixed, right? So cursor was able to fix it and then implement, like I verified it was working. Then I thought about it, give it some time, like there might be similar kind of issue, like we fix this reCAPTCHA issue on the chat window for the chat submit button. Then for the stop button, there might be some other actions as well there for this 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 similar kind of pattern happening, and APIs might not be working. So then I asked cursor to find and fix all those issues and see what happened. There were couple of areas where that issue exactly exists, and see, it was able to fix on this text editor actions, regenerate chat responses inside API calls. I don't have an idea where that code is, and cursor is finding those areas from me, finding those bugs, and fixing it for me. See, fix to. So this is the summary. Already working, fixed in these areas. So see how cursor is able to help me to fix these critical issues. As an anonymous user, there might be some, I don't want to go into the details why these areas were not reported in the QA process. But yeah, that's another problem. Since we are in production, issues are there. How we can fix it? So yeah, that's how I fix it using the AI. So the last night taught me something important. AI tools like Cursor don't replace developers. It is a myth. So they basically amplify the developers. They increase the power of the developers. Even if you didn't write the code, AI helps you to think like the person who wrote the code, right? So you don't need the context who wrote the code, why he wrote the code. You don't need to deep dive into this. In the production, you just deep dive and start fixing those critical issues, make the client happy, and spend your time wisely. So if you ever found yourself stuck late night fixing someone else's problems, someone else's written code base, try AI powered editor like Cursor. It's not just smart, it's practical, as I show you. So yeah, want to see more real world AI dev stories like this? Subscribe and check out my previous videos as I attach in the below links. Thank you.